Welcome. In this quick tutorial, we are going to show you that I cannot see who viewed my TikTok profile, how to fix this problem. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistake. First of all, you have to click on the TikTok app. Now click on the profile icons. You have a problem that you cannot see who viewed your TikTok profile. Click on the three icons which appear at the right top corner. Click on settings and privacy. Now click on the privacy icon. You can scroll this part and can see here profile views, they are turned off. That's why you are unable to see who viewed your profile. Turn it on and you will get notification here in your inbox that who viewed your profile. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.